Every high achiever reaches a point where noise feels like motion. But silence, real silence, is where the next chapter begins. You're not here to disconnect. You're here to refine perception. Let everything slow without losing its sharpness. Awareness becomes clean. Thoughts become lighter. The mind starts to remember its natural rhythm. There's nothing to chase in this space. What's meant for you can see you clearly now. Your focus is the new luxury. Everything in your world expands or contracts based on it. Notice what happens when attention stops scattering. Presence strengthens. Energy organizes itself. The high performer inside you doesn't need more drive. It needs more direction. Breathe without forcing. Let clarity rise from beneath the surface, not from thought, but from awareness. Feel the precision, the calm that doesn't lower energy, it heightens it. Power is no longer performance, it's presence. You've stepped beyond control into command. Decisions form naturally. Focus flows without effort. This is mental sovereignty, a state of doing without forcing. Feel the precision, the calm that doesn't lower energy, it heightens it. Power is no longer performance, it's presence. You've stepped beyond control into command. Decisions form naturally. Focus flows without effort. This is mental sovereignty, the state of doing without forcing. You've returned to clarity, the foundation beneath all success. When you leave this space, take it with you. Let it move through the way you speak, create, and lead. This is not stillness for escape. It's stillness for precision. The mind is clear. The signal is strong. You are tuned.